My name is Alexis Jackson, Alexisjackson, and I interned with Haskell this summer.
My name is Laura All, and I'm in the Engineering Academy.
I am Trey Rogers, and I am in the Emerging Technology Academy.
My name is Brennan Kraft. I'm in the Environmental Engineering Academy.
I'm Anna Perkins. I'm a senior. I'm in the Emerging Technology Digital Media Academy, and I did an internship at Design Extension.
What was your favorite thing about the internship?
I guess learning a lot with new softwares like AutoCAD and Civil 3D and stuff like that.
I really enjoyed that I could go to work, and then when I would leave, I would think about what I would be doing the next day, rather than someone just going to work and not enjoying the opportunity to do the internship.
We did a lot of stuff outdoors because I'm in the Environmental Academy, so I did it because I like science and biology, and in the internship I learned a lot of stuff that it takes for the career that I want to go into, which is environmental consultant, and we were in the woods a lot, rescuing gopher tortoises and eagles, and doing a lot of stuff with private companies, like for building big, like the big neighborhoods and stuff. So it was fun for me.
It's a very independent class, but it's also a group-oriented class. In the beginning of the year, we work on project innovation, where we get to use our teamwork skills and our presentation skills. And I really enjoy working with a group of people to create an idea and present it to people that we don't even know, and then somehow it just works out and sounds really cool. But I also like the independent part. You can get a ton of certifications, or you can get not as many, depending on your skill level, and I just really like the flexibility of the class.
My favorite part of the internship was it was a very laid-back, very relaxed internship, but it allowed me to do all these hands-on experiences that I learned how to do in my academy.
You made any friends in the internship?
Yes, actually, one of the ladies that works there, she is 21, so she's really close to my age, and we'll text all the time. We've met up a couple times after the internship. It was just a very fun-going, and I've even been invited to some of their work dinners or work functions just from working there.
It showed me that I actually want to work in that position, and that is the position that I want to do for my career.
Do you recommend it?
I recommend it to anyone who's looking to work in the IT field or in any other field that we have the program for.
How has it influenced you? So I'm a part of the Engineering Academy here, and although I did have the internship, it kind of geared me away towards engineering, just because I found a new passion for interior design, which they also had at the internship.
Did it teach you any values?
Yes, it did. So with Haskell, it's an AEC company, so that means it's architecture, engineering, and construction, so they're all one company. So civil engineering is all together, and then mechanical and architecture. So I learned a lot of core values with teamwork and stuff like that.
Before I went into the internship, I was thinking more about doing a marine biology career, and I kind of changed my mind, and I think I'm going to go into wildlife ecology, which is centered around saving animals and rehabilitating them, because we would relocate gopher tortoises and bring them to safer places. That way they wouldn't get killed during the building. So that was pretty fun.
Do you recommend it?
I recommend it to whoever likes the outdoors and would enjoy saving animals.
What would you say to people who are going to be interested?
Takes a lot of work, but it's worth it in the end because you gain a lot of knowledge that'll help you out in your career.
I learned things that I was able to apply everywhere in my life. And again, as I said, it helped me realize that I'm here for something, not just to get my GPA up and go to college. It was oh, I'm already working for this now.
Don't be afraid of the whole you're the youngest in the office atmosphere, because it is really one that they all take you in and they take you under their wing, and it just allows you to see how this business and how this area of career looks like. And so if you're even thinking about going into this business or this area, it's definitely an opportunity I would never turn down.
My name is Matthew Clancy, and I'm the Director of Engineering at Ultratech International. We're a spill containment company that sells environmental products, and we also commercialize nanotechnologies across the globe, some of which are Ultra EverDry, which is a super hydrophobic spray coating that repels most liquids, Ultra S3, which is a product that destroys hydrogen sulfide in wastewater treatment plants, and also we have a new tactical welder, which is a battery pack in a backpack that allows you to make certified welds.
Awesome. Okay. Can you just briefly state the name of your intern and then what her responsibilities were in your business?
Sure. This past summer we had Laura All come and intern with us, and we had her work mainly in the Advanced Technologies group, which is the group that brings the nanotechnology to market. And Laura was exceptional. We really threw her right in with hazardous chemicals, working in the lab, doing a lot of testing, a lot of applications for coatings and things like that, where she would go in and take customer samples, treat them with whatever product the customer was interested in. Then she would test the results. We would get back to the customer and see if they wanted to move forward. And she really came in with what I would say is a college level experience, not a high school level experience. So she didn't require any babysitting or training or really anything like that. We got her going the first few days, and then she was pretty self-sufficient after that. We were really pleased with her work, and we've actually hired her as a part-time employee since then, coming in after school and before school on some days where she has late periods.